ushering in a new era at the club. Can he bring fresh ideas? We're about to find out. Stay with us on EA TV. And a warm welcome from a venue that really oozes football history. I'm talking, of course, about the San Siro in Milan. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And we have pre-season group stage action coming right up for you. It is Manchester United against Girona.
Well, thanks, Derek. This is their first pre-season game. Time for players to get their match fitness, coaches to develop tactics, new signings to be integrated, and maybe youngsters to be given a chance.
And here's the line-up for Manchester United. David De Gea starts in goal. Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. The attack fizzles out. Well, we've been following developments closely, and now a new manager has been put into place. Stuart, how would you sum up their ambitions now?
Well, their main aim is to get into next season's Champions League.
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart! Opportunity! Oh, couldn't beat the goalkeeper, and really should have been able to. Alex Garcia. On to Estuani. And space for them here on the flank. Well, nothing comes of it. Looked promising. Eriksson. Giving it away. Can he find the right pass? Excellent block. Rashford. I'm sure Stuart, the video analysis will identify Marcus Rashford as one of the main threats they've got to deal with.
Well, he's such a natural finisher. He has everything a good goal scorer needs. Composure, technique and awareness. He will certainly need to tighten him up today.
Closed down straight away. Romeo. Regain possession. Bruno Fernandes. Christian Estuani. Couldn't quite find his teammate. Martial. Struggling to keep the ball. An incisive pass. And a touch of finesse. Simple catch, really. Decent assist from United. Not the best clearance. Martial must take the lead here. It's still alive. United looking to forge ahead. Let's see if the corner helps them. And the short option preferred. Shaw, good looking cross. Applying vigorous pressure. Firing it towards goal. And rattling the post. And problem solved for now.
Well, United were so close to taking the lead there, but if they keep making chances, it's surely only a matter of time before they do.
Ericsson. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Riquelme. Just cutting off the supply.
Well, the stats don't lie. It's been very tense.
Oh, it's developing nicely for them here. Can he finish? Oh, yes! 1-0 it is! And Thomas was a huge surprise!
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. But there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep it away and... finishes with a block. It's a great goal.
The match is restarted. 1-0 here. Sigankov. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Anthony. Promising looking ball. Martial. Ericsson. Well, I think you could call that an escape. It looked a certain goal. Well, that's going to be all for the first half. Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Superb block. Perfect example of how to put in a tackle, and a corner will be next. Trying to pick up a teammate, and caught by the keeper. Shaw. Ericsson. Teammate. Throw in here. Well, the important piece of transfer news, previously unconfirmed but now official. Milan Skriniar has completed his move to Arsenal.
Well, the figure being quoted is around the £35 million mark, which in my view looks to be just about right. Let's hope he fits in quickly and justifies that price tag.
Well, that is how to play advantage. Herrera. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Intelligent threaded pass here. Martial. And is he going to do to Martial? And fine goalkeeping. Elects to go short. And Ericsson's in the vicinity here. Well, he dealt with that ball played in rather well. A decisive clearance it was. Ericsson. And Rashford. Casemiro. From long distance. Oh, so close to extending their lead.
Well, that really would put them in a demanding position, but it's still to play for here.
And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Alex Garcia. Really a very poor ball. Casemiro. This is Varane. And this is again. Alex Garcia. Possibilities inside the box. And no way through. Can't get the shot through. And it's topped the keeper. Oh, off the post. Still alive. And I think the threat has been averted.
Well, they're so unlucky not to be level now. It was a great effort. You just wonder if they're going to regret that.
Yes, so near indeed, but now they've got to concentrate on keeping their defensive shape. Fernandes, giving it a try. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Here's a change for Manchester United. Short corner it is. Shaw. On to Rashford. Very quick thinking there. Christian Schivani. Bruno Fernandes. Jadon Sancho. Can he finish? And a goal! They've added to the lead. Much needed security.
Just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
So underway once more, 2-0 the lead here. And options in the centre. Attending to his defensive chores. Shaw. Not giving him a moment's peace. 10 minutes left for play. Rashford. Sancho. And he's certainly in the mood for his second.
Well, he's certainly looking at the threat. He looks so sharp today.
Time for a change then. There's a short corner. Shaw. And here's Fred. Can he put it away? The defender doing his job. Can he convert? Using his body to good effect. That wasn't a simple save to make. Played over. Well, not the best clearance. Fred. Now with Rashford. And maybe Rashford. Well, I don't think that effort remotely qualifies as respectable.
And the reason it's off target is because the technique was really poor on that occasion. That's not a good effort.
Well, the referee has instructed the court officials to put 2 minutes on the board. Oh, he's given us away. And there it is, the final whistle, a result to please Manchester United fans around the world. What did you think of the performance as a whole?
Well, it's a tough win in the end. Fully deserved their victory because they dominated every aspect of the game. It was a really good result here today.
Well, a strong contribution as we've come to expect from Marcus Rashford. What did you make of him?